How many people think they know barbecue? Everyone thinks they know barbecue. The truth is, whether you know how to barbecue depends on the region of the United States you reside in. Here, tell it. Barbecue has many different beginnings from many different places. The history of barbecue depends on the culture. Barbecue is very controversial. And your understanding of barbecue all depends upon which region of the United States from which you originate. Controversy of barbecue exists on three fronts. How barbecue got its beginning is controversial. How to prepare barbecue is controversial. How to eat barbecue is controversial. Like most things concerning barbecue, the beginnings of barbecue are even more controversial. There are various benefits concerning the definition and origination of the word barbecue. It may have originated from the Spanish word barbacoa. It may have come from the word from the Taino Native American tribe of the Caribbean and Florida regions. In Guyana, the term in their culture refers to the ritual of barbecuing their enemies from tribes they have defeated. The term has also been traced back to Haiti. Other arguments claim that it is from the French phrase barbecue, which means from head to tail. Still others claim it comes from the combination of dives that have a bar, beer, pool, and roast pig, hence the term bar-B-Q, pig. The beginning of the barbecue-style cooking method is also controversial. Quite frankly, the first barbecue method ever used was initially used by cavemen. No other people can legitimately claim the creation of barbecuing. Cavemen were cooking over open pit spit fires way before the modernization of the craft. However, it has been reported by Prepared Foods magazine that the New World gave birth to barbecuing. On the other hand, the French way of roasting pigs with sage and butter arrived on American shores by early slaves and Creoles. Another version of how barbecue came to be is that Native Americans and slaves taught colonialists how to barbecue whole pigs. The beginning of barbecue may be controversial, but nothing about barbecue is more controversial than how to prepare the meat. The controversy over how to prepare barbecue is competitively regional. According to Reed, Southern barbecue is the closest thing we have in the U.S. to Europe's wines and cheeses. Drive 100 miles in any direction and the barbecue changes. Which type of meat you use all depends upon where you are from. Chicken is mostly considered to be barbecue by people that reside in the North. Chicken is not, however, considered barbecue in the South, which is where barbecue thrives. Barbecue is the primary type of meat used as barbecue. This would be pork. It is a staple among the southern United States. It has existed in the U.S. since 100 years before the Civil War. Beef is primarily prepared in Texas. More importantly, beef brisket is what is considered barbecue in Texas. How you cook your selected meat is regional as well. Northern barbecue is generally considered to be food that is prepared outside on a grill, like chicken. This is not what is considered traditional barbecue. Southern barbecue is considered to be food prepared over hot coals and slow roasted or cooked for several hours. However, exactly how the meat is slow roasted or cooked is widely controversial. Spicing meats is controversial. Do not spice prior to or during the cooking process. Sauce is controversial. The type of wood that the cook chooses is even controversial. All of these issues form form the basis of the controversy surrounding preparation of barbecue. However, there also exists a controversy over how to eat barbecue and which condiments to eat with it. Controversy surrounds the barbecue, and yes, it does extend into how you are supposed to eat the barbecue. Barbecue is so controversial that it is even different within the state of North Carolina. In eastern North Carolina, a vinegar-based sauce is used, and slaw and hush puppies are generally served with the meat. In western North Carolina, a tomato-based sauce is used, and slaw and French fries are generally served with the meat. Barbecue is just as controversial among other states as well, but it is usually state versus state rather than state controversy. South Carolina uses yellow mustard to season their barbecue. In Tennessee, the barbecue is pulled rather than chopped or sliced. It is generally served with sweet tomato-based sauce, coleslaw, and cornbread. Arkansas, on the other hand, has a melting pot of ways to prepare and serve barbecue because of its bordering states. Regardless of where you are from, we should all be able to agree, except maybe in the northern United States, that barbecue consists of slow cooking some type of meat over coals or wood. In conclusion, barbecue, especially in the southern states, is certainly controversial, but it is also associated with community festivals and family gatherings. The tradition of barbecuing so so prevalent that there are numerous festivals and social gatherings dedicated to the sole purpose of smoking pigs for the enjoyment of all. In the end, it doesn't really matter what kind of sauce or sides that you put with it. All that matters is that you enjoy the meat and the social interactions that arise from that barbecue.